To successfully hold a ball, one must show delicate restraint, courteous acknowledgement of the ball that isn't there. Never forget your partner is the size of a wine rack of 20 bottles. Assume nothing about the cost or taste of each one before it opens. Base nothing on the bottle before. Dancing is the finest mode of travel. One daunting tango takes you to Argentina, where you step lightly on forgotten airs, to really be noticed, to really be belle. Keep your feet on the shoulders of your partner. Reverse the plum branch. Let the aged stump protrude from the young shoot. Promenade now. Promenade out, out, out of this millennium. If only every dance were not a lesson.